what they do,
whatever we tell them,
what they do,
whatever we let them,
what they do,
if they don't want to kill them.
what they do,
Fuck niggas only do what we let them. If they stop rebelling, real niggas don't kill them.
what they do, what they do.
They do nothing more, nothing less.
Tu kad krīti palāji karogu.
What you get, so that thug shit we on that. Don't get killed by your pride, dawg. I know some brave ass niggas doing 25 July, y'all. The other half, they doing live in the graveyard. And they so-called homies, them, don't even go and see them. So much for loyalty, but how loyal could a nigga be when he ain't got lawyer fees? See, that's why I stay buster free and far from them suckers. That's why them real niggas fuck with me. TWD, he been a G from day one. And when I speak of he is me, and they ain't done. And they gon' do what the fuck I say do. Y'all gon' follow the laws and the rules, or all y'all got to move. And you ain't got to go home, but you got to leave here. Go to the place where you was homegrown, when you wasn't born here. That's what they do. Whatever we tell them, whatever we let them. If they don't, we'll kill them. Know that. Fuck them niggas only do what we let them. If they stop rebelling, real niggas.
Daniel, kā tevi sauc? Tiešām? Tu proti braukt ar dēli?
Real niggas and hoes when we wasn't shit, them bitches kept it real with us. Still gave a nigga pussy on the high to the busters who be hating. Tell them fuck nigga fine. Y'all better respect the nigga hustle.
Tā braucām, bļa, tālu no kalna. Metri cik, bet 100? Jā, tas pats izvilks, jā.
A ko tu gāzi nebari iekšu, bļa? Vajadzēja rušīku un bērt iekšu, bļa, moš iztaisā. Palciņāk, bļa. Labi, ka mēs
Jau, vajadzēs jums turēt no priekšas, lai viņu neslīd iekšā un viņš...
Jā, mēs no turienes stumsim. Biļeti, tu prisi, viss.
Šķiet tālu tikām.